What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes, going on my first service call of the day here. We are in the incorporated village of Kings Point. Kings Point is, it's the Gold Coast of Long Island on the North Shore of Nassau County in the great state of New York. A lot of people from Kings Point, when you ask them, hey, where you from? Well, I live in Great Neck. I'm like, oh yeah? Is that 11024? He goes, oh yeah, you know about Kings Point. I'm like, yep. 11024 is the zip code of this very, very, very expensive, ultra 1% neighborhood. We have an existing client that has not one, not two, definitely not three, but four outdoor fire features for their pool that are not functional. Wait until I show you the pool. Just wait until I show you the pool. Driveway like this. Yeah, not too shabby. Not too shabby. You like it. Oh, I love the fake grass. All right, you have me with the fake grass. Yeah, that's pretty sick. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, fireballs.
Never proves out.
Why do we have to manually light it though?
We're not getting spark.
All right, so, but is main flame open?
No.
Why won't it open? Because Grand Effects is saying it's a control issue. Okay.
Because even with the pilot, we should still be proving out.
And the control box is in there.
Inside there.
And it just timed out.
Yes.
Interesting. Okay.
Because it didn't prove, so it's...
All right, so we have a brand new pool installation with 1, 2, 3, 4 fire features by Grand Effects. Grand Effects is a Jandy subsidiary. Jandy, which is owned by Zodiac Pool Company. We have a beautiful, beautiful install here for this pool. We have it looks like a moat in the front of the pool, cabana, plenty of seating for a lot of entertainment. Man, it'd be nice if I had my 4th of July parties here. But we're gonna get the key. There that is. We're gonna turn the fuel off, and then we're gonna take this bad boy apart. Yeah, they got the long key. Cool. Yeah, don't go crazy with it though.
I'm not sure if it's catching it.
Oh, you feel it. All right, took out the long 1/4-inch screws that held the module box, the waterproof module box, to the bottom of the unit. Phillip head taking all these screws, and then we'll get to see the box. All right. So, have you been in here before?
I opened it, yes.
So what does this flash mean? 1, 2,
It's an error code.
3, 2.
I asked them.
And then, what did they say?
It's saying that it's not igniting.
Not igniting. Okay, let me go turn off the panel.
Because you have grounds onto the pan, you have grounds onto...
Shouldn't it be grounded? Where's the schematic?
Oh. I asked them, and they said, you know, like because you have a grounding lug right here.
Yeah.
They said no.
All right, let's swap this bad boy out. There's igniter. THX1. Yeah, the little prong is bent down, I guess it's to accommodate being installed in the box. Well, that sucked. Wind.
Yeah.
Automatic relight.
Yep.
Yeah. Hopefully the glass here is flame resistant. All right, we just put in second board. So now we have two. There's alligators. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 brand new Zodiac Jandy Grand Effects fire and water features that are not working properly. Not 1, not 2, 4. We're getting a failure with the ignition control module. We are getting our pilot valve to open, which will allow for spark then, right? And allow the pilot to be lit and then main burner will lit, but we're just getting the pilot valve to open. It shuts down after a period of time, about 10 seconds, and then it tries to relight, but there's no spark. We've been here now 3 times. First time we couldn't get Fluidra, Jandy, on the phone. Second time, we were working with an electrician to make sure everything's wired properly because it made no sense that all 4 were doing the same thing. But now we're back with the Jandy Grand Effects supplied control modules for these fire features. So we're gonna, all the stones were never installed yet. So we're gonna flip up the main burner assembly upside down, and we're going to take the 2 1/4-inch screws on the left and right hand side of the waterproof module and expose the electronic ignition control module for this fire feature. It's a little extra on. There you go. And we'll flip that upside down and it'll expose 6 stainless steel Phillip head screws. Gonna pull all 6 of those screws out, and that's gonna expose the control board. There it is, Grand Effects GE 1020 FP/LB12V. There it is. We're going to remove some of the wiring from it, then pull the module out and install the new one. Wire for wire, that way you don't mess anything up. Needle nose. And carefully remove the 6 wires that are on the ignition control module. All right, working on the 4th electronic ignition module that's rated for outdoor appliances only. I guess it would make no sense using an indoor, but I guess you could use this on like a boiler control or furnace with the electronic intermittent pilot. So some of you may be thinking, okay, why were 4 brand new, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we don't know about that one over there yet either, by the way. Why were 4 fire features dead out of the box? So we could have a couple things. Maybe we had an electrical surge, something with power. We could possibly had an installation defect. Maybe they were wired wrong and they were all shorted out. Maybe we had a error with a batch from the manufacturer. Possible. Or number 4, could we just be parts changers right now? We're not, because we went through the troubleshooting steps following the manufacturer's guidance on how to resolve the customer's complaint. And this is the only part that we've replaced, and all 3 of them, and God willing this one as well, will now be working as soon as we put this cover back on. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, working today with the other Mike, very elusive on the Pipe Doctor YouTube channel, but he is there, a very trusted member of the team, shows up shows up to work, gets the job done. Overall, customers like him. Overall, I didn't say 100% overall. And ladies and gentlemen, he's single, but we'll let that be there. And last but not least,
Wait,
excellent.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's single?
No, ladies, he's single. He's single. He's he has a good job. He takes care of his aging father. He's a very nice guy. And when you decide to blow up the bathroom and clog up the toilet, he's going to tell you to call a plumber. And there's that one. Okay. Maybe, just maybe. Maybe, just maybe. What is this thing right here?
Spare part for...
Huh. Interesting.
It looks like...
oh, they never put that on there.
For the
yeah.
wind?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, the wind piece, maybe. Oh. This one's a little odd. Okay. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's turn on the switch. Ooh, slot machine. Here we go. Let's see what happens. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice. Very nice. All right, so they are all up and running. Beautiful. Look at that. And they're trying to take away our natural gas. Are you stupid or something?